Hi everyone, Sandy here with my third project using Cartabella's Let It Snow collection that I received from Country Craft Creations. And for this project I have done some tags using the Graphic 45 regular size tags, the scraps of paper that I had left over from the Let It Snow collection, some of the cut aparts, and then some flowers and things, paper doilies from my stash. So I did the front and the back. Some of these I patterned using the die from Graphic 45. If you have the die, it makes it great because it cuts out the circle for you. There is no tutorial for this because it's just a matter of taking what you have left over and creating tags, layering, and doing different things with your tags. So what I'm going to do is put these together to make like a tag album, but if you wanted to just use them for gift tags, that would be fine too. So like on this one, I used some different treatment that I had, some flowers in a stash that I had, 2 doilies and some of the paper, and then I also added some glittery snowflakes with the rhinestones, and also used some of the Nouveau glitter drops to add sparkle to the tree. And then on the back side here, some more of the paper. Now this is not cut out with a die. This is if you don't have the die, you can just cut out your papers, and these are layered because I only had scraps, so I didn't have a full size. And then I rounded the corners and then glue these down into layers. This is a sticker with a piece of paper that I lifted up with foam. And then this is a tag that I made separately out of some of the paper. And again, I added in the sparkly snowflakes and some rhinestones and a bit of rope twine here at the top. So that's the first one, so lay that there. And then the second one I used some of the stickers for the banner. I coated them on the back with a powder so that they don't stick down and you can actually slide a photo in there. I made a little pocket out of this cut apart. Some more of the flowers, glittery snowflakes to kind of pull it all together. Some of the rope twine here at the top. Then I took a scrap of paper and folded it up to make a little booklet that you can put some photos in or notes and use some more of the stickers on that. So that just slides in there. This is actually the back side, but I wanted to kind of alternate. So this is the side with a full punch out of paper with the die. I did a belly band where you just glue it on each end. I have a scrap of paper, added a cut apart that I cut out, fussy cut, some more stickers here, another one of the glittery snowflakes. Let me bring it up so you can see them. They're just stickers that you can find in any of the large craft stores. And then I made a photo mat here and a cut apart. So that just slides into the belly band, and then by putting this little stop here, they don't fall out the bottom. So that's number 2. Excuse me. And then the next one is this one, where I just used a sticker and some left the green that I had left over, another flower. This one doesn't have a sticker, but I did use some of the glitter drops here. And this is just a little tuck spot here for a couple of cut aparts that I had left over, so that just slides in there. And on the back side, we have like a small pocket made out of a scrap. You just glue the sides and the bottom, rounded the corners, pull that out. Some stickers here, I left them added powder so they wouldn't be sticky, so you could actually put a photo in there if you wanted to and mat it to it. But then this also sticks in like that. So that is number 3. And I used 4 of the tags. I think they come 6 to a package. Here for the last tag, on this one I used one of the stickers, matted it to some of the wood looking paper and fussy cut around that, and then just glued it on the bottom edge to make a tuck spot. And then to bring it all together, I put another glittery snowflake sticker and then added a rhinestone. This is some scrap of the paper I cut into a photo mat. This is some of the sticker borders that I had left. Put it there, Let It Snow cut apart. I glued 2 pieces of the wood paper together to get the front and the back wood to make a tag. Stub punched the corners and then made another little tag here out of another scrap. So just use up all your scraps to decorate and make photo mats and little tags. The back I was able to cut a full size with the Graphic 45 die to cover the entire piece. As you see, the die is made to actually fit these tags, so that it gives you the perfect fit for the hole here. And then I added the Let It Snow sticker here on the bottom. And so put all these together. So this would be the back. And you can turn these inside any way you want. This is a fun way to make a quick gift. You can turn it into an album. This, of course, is going to be my front. And then if you have a ring, you can use a ring, or you can tie it together with ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and use this ring on mine for now. The ring, the antique looking ring, comes with the Graphic 45 tags. So there you have it. And then you just flip it like this to look at the photos or whatever you add into it. So it's a real fun, quick, easy gift to make. If you want to add ribbons here at the top, you could, or you can just leave it plain. I'm going to leave mine plain, and that's my third and final project with this paper collection called Let It Snow by Cartabella. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and click on that bell so that you'll know when my next project's ready. I'll be working on something else real soon. And shop at Country Craft Creations for all your crafting supplies. Thanks. Bye-bye.